Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to talk to you today about my new channel, where you'll find everything you need to achieve optimal health and fitness. Let me share with you what my channel is all about. Healthy meals. Are you looking for delicious and healthy meals that can be prepared quickly? On my channel, I'll be sharing easy and nutritious recipes for healthy meals that you can make at home. You'll find recipes packed with essential nutrients for your body. Weight loss. Do you have a goal to lose weight and achieve a lean body? On my channel, I'll provide you with balanced meal plans and simple exercises that you can do at home to help you achieve your health goals. I'll be with you every step of the way on your journey towards achieving your ideal weight and feeling comfortable in your body. Self-motivation. We all know that internal motivation and self-empowerment play a crucial role in achieving our goals. On my channel, you'll find motivational videos and tips to boost your self-confidence and uplift your spirits. I'll share successful experiences and useful tools to support you in your success and excellence in life. Dietary supplements. Are you interested in learning more about dietary supplements that can support your health and enhance your physical performance? On my channel, I'll provide comprehensive information about important dietary supplements and how to use them correctly to enhance your training results and maintain your body's health. Friends, my channel is your comprehensive source for health information and self-guidance. I look forward to sharing this journey with you and supporting you in achieving your health and fitness goals. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Subscribe to my channel today and join the wonderful community that will support you and provide you with the necessary information and tools to become the best version of yourself. Thank you all for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be the first to receive the latest content and updates. Together, we will achieve our goals and live a healthy and energetic life. I'm excited to meet you in the upcoming videos. Let's start our journey towards better health.